Profit Product Creator review, demo, and $4,997 bonus. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com. This is my Profit Product Creator review, a brand new product released by Glenn Kosky. Now, what it does, it creates amazing looking ebooks and it does it all for you, okay? These ebooks can be about anything because what you're getting is an included huge library of articles. So what the software does, it takes these articles, it spins them, and it creates fresh, new, amazing looking ebooks. It will include e-covers, and the ebooks are generated in a way that every single ebook is 100% unique, okay? So this means that you can create these ebooks for yourself if you want to sell them. If you want to give them away, just treat them as lead magnets, and you can also sell them on sites like Fiverr for other people. So without further ado, let me share my screen and let's jump into this Profit Product Creator review. But before I do, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, let me just show you how much people are charging for ebooks on Fiverr. Obviously, Fiverr is the cheapest website out there, and this is how much people are charging both for ebooks and for e-covers, because an e-cover can very easily double the price of what you would pay, okay? So this gig says, I will create trendy PDF lead magnet ebook layout workbook design. As you can see, €20, which is like $25. I found another gig. I will create all formats of ebook for publishing, convert ebook. €15, which is like $20. And the cool thing is that the software actually allows you to create these ebooks in a bunch of different formats, okay? So obviously you can do PDF, but you can also do EPUB, MOBI, so all these different formats that ebooks are created in, okay? Another gig, this is for an e-cover. I will create a professional book e-cover design or ebook cover, €14, $20 again. And the last one, I will design professional book e-cover or book e-cover, €10, which is like $15. So guys, just keep in mind, if you would want to pay someone else to actually create an ebook like this for you, you would have to pay, $10, $20. And as you can see, people sell thousands of these gigs. This guy sold 27,000 gigs for $10. Now you can create these ebooks using Profit Product Creator for yourself, or again, you can just start a Fiverr gig and you can make money this way again. Now, with that being said, let's check out the sales page, and the sales page says Profit Product Creator, the world's first 100% done for you digital product creation suite. Brand new web-based app creates highly profitable digital products and gets unlimited buyer traffic and leads in under 60 seconds. We make over $100,000 per month with digital products. Now it's your... Now, when Glenn says that he actually makes $100,000 plus with digital products per month, I know that this is absolutely true. So if you want to get into selling products online, this is an amazing way, because obviously the hardest part about selling products online is to actually create the product. Now, with Profit Product Creator, all these products are created for you. And actually, let me tell you a story. So when I first got into making money online back in 2012, the first product I sold was a 20-page PDF on Fiverr, okay? So first I launched it on the Warrior Forum and I sold like 650 copies. So it was a simple 20-page PDF. I sold it for $5, and guess what? I created the buyers list. I was able to email that list. It made me tons of cash down the road, and it all started with a simple 20-page PDF, okay? So this stuff absolutely works, and you can start this way as well. So scrolling down, 3 quick steps. Obviously, Glenn has tons of proof. You can create a big list if you want to use these as lead magnets. Some testimonials, some more proof. So guys, you can go through all of this in your own time. Obviously, we have some more testimonials. Obviously, all of this works in 60 seconds. Again, Profit Product Creator, that's the name of this new software. And this is my Profit Product Creator review. Again, 3 simple steps. You have some, amazing ebook covers. This is all included. I'm going to do a little demo in a second. You can sell these ebooks anywhere, on Amazon, on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, on ClickBank, on Pay.com, wherever you want to sell them. And also you can give them away. So if you want to create an amazing looking ebook to build a list, you can do that as well. Some more proof, as you can see. I'm just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. 30 days money back guarantee. That's very important. So you're not actually risking anything. You can check it out and then decide if this is for you. That's essentially it, guys. So again, check all of this out in your own time once it's live. Now let me show you the dashboard. Okay, so this is how it looks like. As you can see, you have the welcome video right here. We have my ebooks, my landing pages, my e-covers, my licenses. Now first of all, let me show you the training. Okay, so a part of the software, you're getting all the training that is needed, and the training is on both how to use the software and also how to make money with it. Okay, so as you can see, we have how to create your product tutorial, how to create your ebook cover tutorial, how to add additional chapters and elements tutorial, and then we have some upgrades. We will talk about upgrades in a second. Okay, so first of all, let's create an e-cover. Let me show you how easy this is. So I actually created an e-cover in this is this one right here. So as you can see, you know, an amazing looking e-cover. I created this in a matter of seconds. So as you can see, we can download it, we can do PNG, we can do JPG, and then we can also preview it. Let me preview it. So this is something I created again in a matter of seconds, and we can add it immediately to our ebook. Okay, now let me click on create e-cover. As you can see, we can create a flat e-cover, a 3D book cover, or a 3D CD cover. So let's just do a flat e-cover. As you can see, we have all of these different ones that we can pick from, and then we can edit all of these. Okay, so this was the one that I created. So let's pick another one. Let's say let's do this one right here. Okay, so we just need to put a name, select, and then click on create. And as you can see, you know, we could move things around, we can edit it. You know, we can do all these different things when it comes to creating an e-cover. Now I'm not going to be creating another one, so let me just go back, but you can see that this is super easy, and you can save yourself $5 to $10 to $15 when it comes to paying for e-covers on sites like Fiverr. Or again, you can just start a Fiverr gig and sell e-covers on Fiverr yourself. Now that's for the e-covers. Let's click on create products. So as you can see, we can create products from the database or do it manually. So let me just click on database to show you how easy this is using this software. So as you can see, all we have to do is enter a keyword. So let me just put in money as an example. We have the repository, so we can be PLR repository, BCS repository, or my collections. Let me keep it with the PLR. Match all keywords and collect 50. So now we just click on find. It will take a few seconds to find all of the articles from the PLR database. As you can see, we already have all the articles. All we have to do right now is just scroll the way all the way to the bottom and click on create. Now obviously we can tick the ones that we want to use. Obviously you can go through it and see, you know, exactly what you want to focus on. Like, you know, this is about credit cards, and another one is about, let me see here, outsourcing, you know, internet power. So obviously you can create an ebook from these articles that you specifically want to. Okay, so let me just click on create, and as you can see, we just have to add the title, author, subheading. Let me leave this as nothing. Cover image, so we can create an image right here. So let me just use one of the ones that I already created. And as you can see, we can add a bunch of different stuff. So we can edit the font, the size, we have the header settings, we have the footer settings. Like if you want to add a link in the header and in the footer, you can. It can be an affiliate link or any other link. We have the title settings, we have CTA settings, that's all optional. And as you can see, we have the chapters. So you can add chapters, you can take away chapters, you can do as many chapters as you want. Okay, so it can be a simple one chapter, you know, 10-20 page PDF, or we can add, you know, 100 chapters if you want to. So right now, all you have to do is just click on generate ebook. As you can see, it starts working. It will be ready in a matter of seconds. Okay, I only added one article, so obviously because I just added one article, it will be 6 pages right here. And the cool thing is that, as you can see, we can download it as a PDF, or an EPUB, MOBI, HTML, or document. So if you're selling these, you can actually charge more for delivering in all of these different formats. Okay, so guys, our ebook is ready. This is super easy. And as you can see, we are in the library right now, so we have all these ebooks that we already created. So guys, you can create ebooks in a matter of seconds. That's super easy. You can do whatever you want with these. Now, let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, Profit Product Creator will be $17, guys. That's the early bird price. So make make sure to show up on the 29th of May at 9 a.m. Eastern. Between 9 a.m. Eastern and 3 p.m. Eastern, it will be $17. After that, it will be $19. Then it will be $21, and the price will keep on rising. Okay, so make sure to show up early. Now we do have some OTO, some one-time offers. So let me just tell you the prices, and let's dive deeper into each one in a second. Okay, so OTO number 1 is the unlimited version, $67. OTO number 2 is 100% done for you, $97. OTO number 3 is unlimited traffic, $97. OTO number 4 is 30K per month, $67. OTO number 5 is super affiliate, $67, and OTO number 6 is license rights, $197. Okay, so guys, right here on my blog I have a full written review, and this will include this funnel breakdown. Okay, so product creator OTO number 1 does the unlimited version, allows you to create unlimited ebooks, unlimited e-covers. So the main version has some limitations. You will be able to make money with it and create ebooks and all of that, but if you want to remove all the limitations and get the unlimited version, that's upgrade number 1. Profit Product Creator OTO number 2 does the done for you pack. So you're getting a massive pack of done for you campaigns, done for you ebooks, done for you websites even. Okay, so that's $97. Profit Product Creator OTO number 3, unlimited traffic. So in this upgrade, you're getting a powerful traffic generator, and you're gonna get plenty of high quality traffic to your pages, to your landing pages, and you don't have to run any Facebook ad campaigns, email marketing, or Google traffic. Profit Product Creator OTO number 4, 30K per month. So in this upgrade, you're gonna get a bunch of additional tools. So you'll be able to create landing pages with hello bars, pop-ups, banners, and much more. So this is just something that will boost conversions on your landing pages. Next up, we have Profit Product Creator OTO number 5, super affiliate. That was the one for $67, and this is something that will allow you to create bonus pages. So bonus pages are essential if you want to do affiliate marketing, and this is an upgrade that will allow you to do so. And Profit Product Creator OTO number 6, the last one, the license rights, $197. This allows you to sell Profit Product Creator as your own product and keep 100% of the profit on the whole funnel. So the main product and all 6 upgrades, so a total of 7 products, you're getting 100% on all of the sales that you're going to make. Now guys, let me show you my huge bonus I'm actually giving to Profit Product Creator. And let me tell you again that May 29th at 9 a.m. Eastern is when Profit Product Creator goes live. Now first of all, I'm going to give you free custom made bonuses, and you're getting a full PLR license to it. Okay, so you can sell these, you can edit them, you can give them away, you can do whatever you want with these free custom made bonuses with full PRL license. I'm also going to give you 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay, so this is something that I normally sell as an OTO to my own products. You're getting this for free, 5 done for you campaigns. You're going to get additional software. Okay, so I'm going to give you Affiliate Warrior software, Affiliate Promo Machine software, Extreme Affiliate Page software, and a reseller's license to 3 of my own products. Okay, Instabit, Traffic Trapper, Traffic Extractor, one more software, Affiliate Traffic Lab, and a bunch of additional W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. $500 CPA every day, $200 cashback, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, Traffic Jacker, Instant Traffic Jacker, the Commission Magnet, the Commission Toolbox, $100 CPA daily, Pure Profit Payday, WP Video, Viral Click, WP Affiliate Advantage, Image Plus, List Building Expert, 100 e-course publishing tips, speedy content publishing tips, SlideShare videos, and a bunch of additional plugins and software. Okay, Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin based sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcut Call to Action, Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Traffer, Traffic Hoover, Traffic Engine, Photo Contest, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, and WordPress Courses plugin. Now guys, that's a total of 55 bonuses, but I'm not done, because you're also gonna get my mega bonus. Now my mega bonus got bigger. It used to be 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. It is now 116 plus award-winning courses. So you're getting all of this 116 plus courses. So this is a total of, I don't know how many, 170 bonuses. You're getting all of this for free, and that's why the bonus is worth $4,997. Now, this is how much you would actually have to pay if you would like to buy all of these separately. I'm going to give you all of these for free, just as a thank you for picking up Profit Product Creator through my link. Now guys, as always, I have a full written review, and this will include this Profit Product Creator review sum up. So first of all, this is 100% newbie friendly. It's all done for you, no experience required. All you have to do is just put in the keyword, the ebook is generated for you. You can create digital products in 60 seconds. You can obviously give them away, you can sell them, you can do whatever you want. You can sell them on Fiverr. You can create a passive income stream for yourself, build your email list with free traffic. They include free traffic training. You can build your own digital product creation empire, and 0 monthly fees. Okay, so the early bird is $17. That's all you have to pay. Okay, so no hidden fees, no monthly fees. You can get in for just one-time price. Now, what I don't like about Profit Product Creator, the only thing that I can think about is that you're creating PDFs. Okay, so obviously you can create all of these different files, EPUB, PDF, etc., but it's not a video creator. Okay, so in this day and age, obviously video is better, but with that being said, you can still make money with PDFs, and especially if you want to build a list. You know, people are used to getting PDFs in exchange for giving away their email address. Okay, so guys, again, it's a PDF creator, but with that being said, it's a super powerful PDF creator. Okay, so guys, again, I have a full written review. Check it out right here. Check out all of my bonuses I got in store for you. And before we go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus. Okay, so after picking up Profit Product Creator through my link, and again 9 a.m. Eastern on May 29th is when it goes live, just go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on your icon with your name in the top right corner right here. Go to the purchase history, find Profit Product Creator amongst your purchases, click on it, and then below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. So that's how you get my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It's all done for you automatically. And again, guys, I really like this product because I know that this will work. This is how I got started with my 20-page PDF on about Fiverr, you know, selling it on Warrior Forum. You can start doing the same, and obviously you can create a big empire of just selling ebooks and creating ebooks and giving away ebooks for free. So guys, it gets 2 thumbs up from me. It's a cool thing that you also get the ebook cover creator included, so everything you need is inside. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.